Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see unboxing of Polk MagniFi Mini soundbar, and this soundbar price is like Indian currency 55,000 INR and Danish krona. The price of this particular product is like a 5,000 Danish krona. So let's unboxing what exactly happening inside this particular box and speaker. Let's check it out. First of all, I cutted the packing. I listen in the store, the voice clarity is quite amazing. That's why I buy this product. I'm not so now okay look at this inside the box. One remote is there. Remote is quite good. So like this is one remote inside the box. First time you press here, open this one, and they provide you inside the box two sails also. So you just open the sails and put it inside the remote like this. So now my remote is okay. So this is a magic booklet. All informations are available here. How to use, what is the features, how to play, and all informations. Magic booklet. This one is one cable, I think so. The input output, that one is also same input output. This is a HDMI cable, I think so, connect to our television. Two power cable is there. One is the particular sound bar and second one is a woofer. So we can see here one another power cable is there. So many power cable is there. One more power cable is there. So different like here in the, like suppose Asian switchboard comes like this, and some European switchboards comes like this. Like in Germany, same switchboards are using here people. So that point of view they are providing. So that one is one adapter is there. So many adapters they are providing us. Now we see the product. It's a cartoon. First of all, this is a sound bar of mini sound bar. So we open first of all. Okay, look at this. This is the quality of the product. It's quite amazing. Like a HDMI, Bluetooth, and like your AirPod or AirDrop, such kind of synchronization are available on that particular product. So at this, the power, HDMI input, like OPT, AUX, USB port also available, and like a Wi-Fi, you can connect directly on Wi-Fi the device and then access very easily any kind of music, and directly on you can put it here in intranet, means internet cable, LAN cable, and connect the product like online. So we see the last product in this particular box, and that one is a music woofer. Those are the two products inside the box, and what exactly clarity of the music. So we can see our point of view in this particular woofer like this. One is a USB. I already explained about this one. You can very easily put it this one if you like this one. So you put it this one, otherwise, I have switch like this 2 pin, so I'm putting this one in here, like here, and here bars settings also available. Like, it's very simple. Don't put it so many cables in this device, just only you can put it only power cable and the connect, and using this adapter you connect here the small device here and the power cable, and extra one more power cable they are providing you, each device two power cable. So using this one you put it here in this power cable, see the properly, yeah, and that's it. Now I connect the power. Just I connected this speaker in my MacBook like in Bluetooth without connected wire. So let's check it out, the voice of this particular theater and music. See, quite amazing home theater, like in Hindi paisa vasool product. So I am very happy to buy this product, and upcoming days I am providing you detailed review of this particular product after using 1 or 2 months, and then I can upload one more video. But if you what exactly really like you music in this particular song or not, you can put it the comment, as well as like or share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.